back to my channel. I gotta be very quiet because it's so early in the morning. But yeah, guys, today's gonna be a long ass day, guys. I haven't want to sleep. The last time I waked up was like yesterday. It's about to be 24 hours from the last time I waked up. Yo, guys, was to edit this video, but I don't want to download because my internet is kind of down, as you can see right there. Today is going to be a long day. Right now I'm getting ready. Before I gotta go, I gotta make sure my bed's due and everything like that. I gotta clean my freaking sheets and everything, because I'm not gonna get back home until like later on. I gotta help my dad take down the transmission from the truck. I'm gonna vlog that because supposedly I messed up the truck. And later on, I'm gonna go ice skating with my friends too. So yeah, guys, my mom's gonna be mad because I haven't getting no sleep. Hey guys, here I am, 5 in the morning, washing my clothes. You already know, because I'm not gonna be here until like midnight. I'm not gonna be free. I'm basically saying until midnight. I don't want to do that because I'm gonna be all tired from today. Oh, today's gonna be crazy, guys. We're gonna take down the transmission from this truck. We're gonna take the transmission. Oh, I'm gonna help my dad later on with the transmission. They're gonna take it out and send it to Mexico to fix it or whatever. Yeah, Diggy's saying I messed up the truck. They're not blaming it on me, but like they're kind of blaming it on me. My sisters be like, "No, it's the way how you drive, this and that." And yeah, guys. And then this one over here. One of the turbos blew off, and they're gonna try to find a turbo for it. But yeah, they're gonna repair the turbo. Oh, hang on, I'm trying to get it here. I think it's this one or the other one. I think the other one's over there somewhere. Oh shit. But yeah, they're gonna replace this one because it's messed up. And who they're blaming? Me. Always me, bro. Just because I kind of drive like a little bit fast. Just because of that, bro. Like, and then this one too. This car, I actually messed up, guys. I think I messed up. What was it? I messed up 3 pistons because I was racing and I overheated it. Or not. Dude, this car is badass, guys. But yeah, guys, this car right here, my dad's not gonna sell that car. That's like his priceless thing right now. Cause just to say, guys, you could do wheelies in that car, guys. If you don't believe me, I should have never fucked up that car, guys. But yeah, guys, my mom's already going to work. She told me to come and heat up the truck because it is kind of cold. A las 2.
Sí, ¿por qué?
Yo tengo juego a las 9. Está bueno, pues va. Guys, look at this view right now of the sky. I mean, it should look so creepy. But I just came up here because I wanted to say something. I guess we are not going fishing because my uncle fell asleep. It's already 7. I've been trying to call him. He don't answer. He falls asleep. So that means we're not going to go fishing again. What's up, guys? I'm back with y'all again. It's like 3 hours later after I waked up. But yeah, I end up not going to the soccer game because I fall asleep, guys. They gotta learn you're old enough. But yeah, guys, they're taking the transmission off. So let's go.
No necesito la extensión. Infinita, güey, no agarra nada. Ya, métete.
¿Qué?
Deja que le eche que. Para allá.
Eso.
Ahí mero. Dale más. Sí, más. Ese. Pero ese no es 10, entonces esos no son. Esos son los del plato.
Guys, we're almost done. I'm dirty as hell.
Se está corriendo para atrás el pinche gato.
Está bien, nomás agárralo, no pasa nada, nomás agárralo.
Okay,
Apriétalo.
Está apretado. Está apretado.
Sí, ya apretó calco.
Checking down the transmission after 4.
Ahorita me voy a meter para allá para agarrar la turbina, güey.
Espérate, espérate,
This
espérate.
shit's not easy, guys. This shit's hard.
Dale, yo te digo cuando pare. Wow, está pegando los lados para atrás. Dale para atrás. Dale para abajo. Ahorita, ahí la cuenta. Abajo. Dale. Ahí estamos. Ah, con la mano arriba.
Dirty.
Dale.
Oh, so you can.
Dale, púchale. Mira, espérate.
We got it all. Look at this, guys. That's crazy. All that work just for that. It's crazy.
Pero no sé cuánto tanto cobra el vato aquí. ¿Sí me entiendes?
Ahorita mi luz.
¿Mande?
But yeah, guys, all done already. Transmission taken off, and they're gonna fix it and stuff. But yeah, I'm already gonna take a shower because I'm all taquachon. Go ice skating in a minute.
Hey guys, just know he's a whack ass. He should already know. He doesn't know how to record because he calls me door like a.
I'm not gonna cut that out, you know that.
I don't care.
But yeah, guys, I'll catch you in a minute. I'm gonna go take a shower.
I shut the hell up.
Alrighty, guys, I'm back with y'all again. I just take a quick shower, you already know. But yeah, I'm going ice skating again. How I told you the other time, we are going to go ice skate. So yeah, guys, and I'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna go pick up Mikey because it's already kind of late. And yeah, guys. Hey guys, I just picked up my friend Mikey. Say what's up, Mike. He's on the phone right now. But we came to each of you guys. In a minute, we're gonna go to the ice skate thing. He just had to come and do some things over here, some errands, you know. But yeah, guys, we finally got the truck transmission off. They just gotta send it to Mexico now and fix it. And now I am gonna be careful with it. I'm not gonna do nothing stupid like I usually do. And yeah, you remember what you need?
Yeah, the thing.
Today he said they're yellow, but they're white.
Yellow and white.
I mean, they are kind of little like yellowish.
Which
but
one? Which one?
The top, don't want to say box, and then the bottom one.
Okay, good. Potato, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not only me, fucking asshole.
Freaking blind. Are you colorblind?
They're yellow.
I don't know, but I can kind of see it. I'm blind. I'm actually blind too. So yeah. Guys, I might buy a Lunchable. I haven't ate since earlier. I don't know which one though. Huh? She's probably asleep. Say it.
Say what?
Tortilla.
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 Oh, I forgot already.
I stayed there for like 2 minutes just looking for this because I didn't know what to get. Oh my god, he's coming back. I'm not trying to get fat, Mikey. Guys, we just got here. You already know. Round 2. Say what's up.
Because he flashed the fucking light, man.
Dude, that'll be good content. Hey, put down your pants like the other time. This boy, didn't you see? It's not.
It's snow.
It is snow? What? Guys, that is... Okay, yeah.
Where did that come from?
Jake. I want to get on. I'll fucking get on here. Yeah, I'm getting off. I'm gonna bust my ass. Run through, guys. Come on. It's closed, guys. Fuck, man. So I guess that's our round 2. Hey, we should ask. Like, we could pay some. You think they'll let us?
Now you want to have the whole thing.
I know. That was cold. That was cold. Alrighty, guys. So I guess we're gonna go do something.
Just play with snow for no reason.
But-
Yo, catch it, try to catch it. Go.
I take it.
I got in trouble because I went up there and slid down. My son went up. Go fuck. Alright, guys. Well, I guess we come back Monday. I'll get that vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this on YouTube yet. I don't know. Still, we're just hanging. But yeah, guys. No, you hit the fucking tree, dumbass.
Same shit.
He was trying to hit those kids over there. Alright, so we have a plan. Say the plan. Say the plan.
So I'm gonna come and get a big one and throw it at Nettie's car.
She doesn't even know. She doesn't even see this coming. Guys, we're just gonna straight up just smash it on her freaking window. This one else too. Look, this one. This one's good. Look, guys, I don't know if you can see, but there's a car right there. And I'm gonna start driving freaking nicely.
Hey, you did a favor. She needed water on
I
your
don't
window.
have water in my thing.
Michael, that's gonna crack the
Yeah,
window.
it's gonna crack it.
No,
Don't
it's
do
not.
that.
I'm
Yes,
throwing it soft like this.
the first time you did it, though. Oh, dumbass.
Look, there's a cop next to you.
Okay, I know Nettie.
Hey, chunk it at the cop.
You won't.
You won't.
You won't.
You won't
We'll
arrest
dip,
me.
dude.
Michael, you won't.
You won't, dude. We just. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm back with y'all again. We came to Whataburger. They're gonna eat. I'm not, cause I gotta stay in shape. She's always trying to say hi. Riding with the motherfucking roller. Hey, oh my hat. He's eating Taco Bell at Whataburger.
The disrespect.
I know.
The fucking disrespect. Hey, you want your keys or not?
Ow!
That's rude.
That ice.
The fuck?
And
Guys, this boy's fat. He eats a lot. What the hell are you gonna get?
Mayonnaise all the way. No,
Guys, I'm gonna just get some fries, you know.
and large fries.
I think I have to get one of each.
I'm not. Michael done it before.
Do what?
You want
One of each.
I already did it. You made me do it last time.
No, it's fine. Don't do it.
Shit
Well,
was.
that's what I forgot to get a drink. I'm gonna buy myself a drink.
Oh.
We always sit in this spot already, no, guys?
I was ready to relax. My stomach was hitting, and she just sits down, and my stomach hits. I need a medic.
My bad. I didn't mean to throw that too hard.
Don't tell me.
He's all like,
Hey guys, well, we're already leaving Whataburger. We were here for like 30 minutes or so. But we're going to Walmart. I don't know, let's see what's up. About time we go to Walmart. I haven't been to Walmart in a while, guys. We're gonna go fuck around. Fuck you, man. Oh, you gonna throw him when we drive it off? Go. Dude, there's a cop right over there.
Where?
Here, Walmart. Down shit.
No, we didn't. We did not get here.
We got here.
We've been here like 30 minutes.
Yeah. But yeah, let's see what's going on in Walmart.
Get that shit. Oh.
Alright. Let's stop before we get kicked out. We just said we're gonna get kicked out in this boys weekend. Look what I fuck. I tried for my friends.
Sorry, Nibi. You should get
No, I'm trying.
stuff, motherfucker.
I'm trying to eat healthy over here, you know. Make my own fort right here. Guys, I'm always saying I'm gonna make 40 videos. It's just work could just pass by. But the thing is, some of my friends are kind of big, and they're not gonna fit. So we're trying to sometimes like keep it low key and shit. These cookies, I don't know why. Ever since I was like a little kid, my dad used to bring me these all the time, and I like them. I'm gonna get this. Probably that's all. We just came to Sonic at 12:45 already, bro. Fat asses.
Order me my the biggest.
Guys, my friend doesn't know what to order.
Just a banana shake.
There's the freaking menu right here.
Medium.
Drink people be like, oye, compa, dame una pinche bidonga, la verga.
Thank you.
Thank you, Brandon.
Okay, go.
He's going to Instagram live. Yeah, go follow him. Shout out your Instagram. Oh,
I don't even know
I gotta
my
go
Insta-
forward.
I don't even know my own Instagram.
Y'all act like you're a fucking drunk.
Yep, it's on, Mike.
I'm slapping both of you. I don't care. You're gonna.
Carlos looking
No,
ass.
it's not. Stop.
Carlos, guys, you guys are playing. This TV was not even here, which has been since we bought the truck. Like, bro.
It's not even hurt.
But yeah, guys, I just got home. I'm over here eating my freaking taco I got. It's actually healthy, guys. It's not that bad, like some other things. But yeah, I guess I'm on this vlog here. It's been a long ass day. I know I haven't done two things. That's how I was gonna do. I was gonna go fishing. I was gonna go to the soccer game my hat, but it didn't happen. But yeah, guys, I'm in this vlog here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot to make an intro with that. Oh yeah, but anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn post notifications on. And please drop a like in this video, so much to me. Other thing I want to say, I don't know when this vlog is gonna go up because my laptop is lagging or something like that. But yeah, guys, to my next video.